Hello everyone, I Garima Saxena, lecturer Home Science at Aklang College, Kota, Rajasthan, welcomes you all in this YouTube channel of Aklang College. So today I am here with a new video about online education. So in this video I will be talking about what is online education, why is it important, why online learning has become the most popular trend in COVID-19, what are its advantages, what are its disadvantages, and what are the some common popular online platforms which we are using for online learning. So I hope this video will be very helpful to you all. So let's begin this video. As we all know that since the COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted the normal lifestyle of people across the globe, the virtual world has come to the rescue. Amongst many institutions, colleges and schools have also shifted their base to virtual platforms to conduct classes online. Consequently, catering to the needs of all stages of education from the pre-primary to the university level, online education has emerged as an alternative to ordinary face-to-face classes. Today, digital learning with online learning has emerged as a necessary resource for students and educators all over the world. For many educational institutes, this is an entirely new way of education that they have or had to adopt. Online learning is now applicable to not just to learn academics, but it also extends to learning extracurricular activities for students as well. So here we will discuss what is online education. Online education is an amenable instructional delivery process that includes any learning that takes place via internet. Online learning enables educators to communicate with students who may not be capable of enrolling in a traditional classroom course and assist students who need to work on their own schedule at their own speed. And online education can come in different ways. They could be educational webinars and videos on the internet, or even face-to-face learning on the laptop with the teacher, which utilizes the internet. About importance of online classes in detail, and the first importance is flexible schedule. Online classes offers the flexible schedule that permits students to study at their own convenience. Students can gain knowledge only by watching the video of any subject at any time. Now the second point is everyone can gain the education. Yes, it is right that through online classes, each and every students can gain an education. When the students are not able to go outside due to some serious reasons, when they can easily study from the online classes. Online classes help to eliminate the barriers and borders, and students can easily gain knowledge even sitting at home. The third point is keep up with changing trends. Yes, in every field, it is essential to keep up with the changing trends, whether it is the educational field or any other field. Changes are required everywhere. In today's world, each and every person wants digital life. The online classes can help students to learn things visually, and because of this, they can easily remember the things that they have learned. And the next point is vast choice of syllabus. Through online classes, students can learn more things out of their syllabus, which become very useful for their future. Online platform provides unlimited paths and it has a wide range of choices. Yes, students can study anything that they want to study at any level. Next point is learn whatever you want. Online classes permit students to learn anything or whatever they want. When students have their own choice, they can learn more efficiently. Through online classes, student can learn the subject in which they are interested. Because in online classes, students have numerous choices, so they can choose anything of their choice. Next point is lower in cost. Yes, it is absolutely right that it is cost efficient. Online classes are available at a very lower cost. Through online learning, student can learn the same thing as in the face-to-face course but at a very low cost. Next is learn at your swiftness. Through online classes, students can learn at their own swiftness, and being able to learn at your own swiftness is a delight in itself. Each and every student learns at a different swiftness and understands things differently. Online classes are generally open year round and permit the students to learn at their own swiftness. And the last point is improve technical skills. Online learning also improves the technical skills of students. The most of the online course need the development of new computer skills. Because of this, student can learn to handle different learning management system and programs. So next will be So now we will talk about its advantages. So advantages of online education. First advantage is efficiency. Online learning offers teachers an efficient way to deliver lessons to students. Online learning has a number of tools such as videos, PDFs, podcasts, and teachers can also use all these tools as a part of their lesson plans. Next is affordability. Another advantage of online learning is reduced financial cost, जो हमने अब ये पहले भी देखा. Online education is far more affordable as compared to physical learning. This is because online learning eliminates the cost points of student transportation, student meals, and most importantly, real estate. Additionally, all the course or study materials are available online, thus creating a paperless learning environment which is more affordable while also being beneficial to the environment. Next point is improved student attendance. Since online classes can be taken from home or location of their choice, there are fewer chances of students missing out on lessons. Next is accessibility of time and place. Another advantages of online education is that it allows students to attend class from any location of their choice. It also allows institution to reach out to a more extensive network of students instead of being restricted by geographical boundaries. Advantages are more time to think before sharing. Yes, it is right that in online education, student as well as teacher both have more time to think before share their notes, lesson plans, and everything. So it is an advantage. Next is it suits a variety of learning style. Every student has a different learning journey and a different learning style. Some students are visual learners, while some students prefer to learn through audio. Similarly, some students thrive in the classrooms and other students are solo learner who get distracted by large groups. And the last advantages is, as we all know, focus on ideas. Yes, in online class, whether it is teacher, educator or student, everybody can focus on their ideas. Disadvantages, as we all know, everything has its positives and negatives, so we will discuss negatives now. The first disadvantage of online education is technology issues. Another key challenge of online classes is internet connectivity. While internet penetration has grown in leaps and bounds over the past few years, in smaller cities and towns, a consistent connection with decent speed is a problem. Without a consistent internet connection for student or teachers, there can be a lack of continuity in learning for the student. Next is inability to focus on screen. For many students, one of the biggest challenges of online learning is the struggle with focusing on the screen for a long period of time. With online learning, there is also a greater chance for students to be easily distracted by social media or any other sites. Next is sense of isolation. Yes, it is a very big problem in online education. Student can learn a lot from being in the company of their peers. However, in an online class, there are minimal physical interaction between student and teachers. This often results in a sense of isolation for the students. In this situation, it is imperative that the school allow for other forms of communication between the students, peers, and teachers. This can conclude online messages, emails, and video conferencing that will allow for the face-to-face interaction and reduce the sense of isolation. Is no face-to-face interaction. Yes, students have a tendency to underestimate the impact of never meeting the instructor and other students in class. So building relationship with your teacher and classmates will require more effort in an online environment. And the next disadvantage or the last disadvantage is manage screen time, or you can say more screen time. Many parents are concerned about the health hazards of having their children spend so many hours staring at a screen. This increase in screen time is one of the biggest concern and disadvantages of online learning. Sometimes students also develop a bad posture and other physical problems due to staying hunched in front of a screen. And in conclusion, I can say online learning should seen as a complement and extension of classical forms of learning. Not even the best online course can fully replace the personal contact with a teacher or the human relationship that can develop in a group. So, traditional classes should not be replaced with online classes or online learning. Some popular applications for online classes. First is Google Meet, Google Hangout, Liveboards. Liveboard भी बहुत लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं. Zoom platform is the most common popular app for online classes. Like this, we can say Google Classroom is also very popular, and Cisco WebEx. Out of this all, only Cisco WebEx is paid and all of them are free of cost. थैंक यू गाइज फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. आपको अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज इसे लाइक कीजिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ मैक्सिमम शेयर कीजिएगा. एंड प्लीज अगर आपने अभी तक भी हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड प्लीज हिट द बेल आइकन ताकि हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियोस के जो नोटिफिकेशन है वो आपको सबसे पहले मिले. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.